Hello guys, in today's video I will show you how to buy a stock on Trading 212. So go here to home menu, and as you can see we have different stocks over here that you can choose from. And also, before we start, make sure to use my link in the description to sign up on Trading 212 and have to up £100 for free of stock. So for example, I will maybe choose Tesla and I will click on buy. Now I can just put number of shares. So for example, one share is 350 euros, or I can also choose value. So for example, 100 euros. And now I just review an order and send a buy order. And that's it. The order is placed, and if market will open, I should have bought Tesla stock in my portfolio. So as you can see, my portfolio is in pending orders. So this is how you can buy a stock on Trading 212, and also make sure to use my link in the description. Have a nice day. Bye.